CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, it's turned into a pretty nice evening across South Florida. We do have a few showers out there still, a little bit of activity coming up from the southeast. And typically now when we get into a southeast wind flow pattern, if we don't have a lot of moisture over us in the atmosphere, then we just see these nighttime and morning showers. Then the activity goes on over to the west coast in the afternoon. And that's pretty much what we're going into for the weekend. There's still a bit higher than normal levels of moisture over us for the next 12 hours or so. There are the showers offshore right now between Bimini and South Florida. A little bit of activity starting to increase now along the coastal waters, and a little bit of activity has been kind of grazing northern Broward there. One little shower just went up near 441 and 595. In terms of our, well, that's not our Keys camera, that's our Rusty Pelican camera. Our Rusty Pelican camera looking pretty good this evening. 80 in Miami, 81 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 82 in Key West. Sticking a scale, step outside, you can feel it. Summertime humidity is here, and it's going to stay 81% humidity. East-southeast breeze at 5 and about 0.6 of an inch of rain. Highs today, thanks to the clouds and the showers, only in the low to mid 80s. Normal high now is just shy of 90, and we're getting to the warmest time of the year now, and it's the warmest time of the year for several months, lasting into August. So we're there. We're going to warm up to those high temperatures in the upper 80s and the low 90s by the time we get to the weekend. Temperatures right now feels like wise in the 70s to the low to mid 80s, feeling pretty warm, and summery in Fort Lauderdale right now it's 87 degrees. And there's the breeze out of the east to southeast, anywhere from about 3 to 12 miles an hour, 14 miles an hour. So the moisture is right over us right now, this higher level of moisture, and it moves on to our west as we go into tomorrow. There's tomorrow evening, there's Saturday, there's Sunday, and the main thing with the deeper moisture moving away and the southeast winds means the west coast of Florida is going to see some pretty big afternoon thunderstorms right through the weekend here on the east coast. Mainly late night and morning showers, and maybe a few thunderstorms moving through. Into the tropics, nice and quiet, nothing going on now into our first week of hurricane season, but we're getting to the time where we start looking for the Saharan dust, because the Saharan dust, the dust from Africa, does help inhibit tropical storm development. And you can see the computer model here. This is taking us into early next week. Not a lot of dust. You remember last year we had a lot of big dust outbreaks. Still a little bit early in the Saharan dust season, but so far the dust is minimal. Here's our forecast for tonight. Spotty showers, otherwise quiet, a low temperature in the mid 70s for tomorrow. Look for more sun, less storminess, except for a few storms moving inland during the morning hours. High temperature in the upper 80s. On the water winds, southeast at 10 to 15, seas running 2 to 4 feet, and a moderate chop on the bays, and taking us through the weekend. After some morning storms tomorrow, it's just morning showers through the weekend, and definitely feeling like summer. Back to you.